So till now we have studied about the confirmatory. So what was the process? We have seen whenever we are getting the salt, we'll see the physical appearances of the salt, and then we will do the preliminary test, dilute acid, concentrated acid, and then independent for anions. Then we have seen the confirmatory tests, right? Now today we will see the confirmatory test for concentrated acid group. See what we have to do for chlorine ions. Let me remove all these. So for the confirmatory test for concentrated acids is first one is chlorine. What we do in chlorine, we take the salt and we add potassium dichromate and some drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. After that we just heat it a little, and after that on heating we get the red vapors. You will see the test tube, red vapors will be coming out. You will put another test tube on it, on the just the mouth, and collect all the gas. Here you are collecting these red vapors in the another test tube, and everything you should be ready with all these. So when you collect the gas, you just put a thumb or put a hand on it so that the gas will not move out, and then you will add aqueous NaOH to it, then acetic acid, and then lead acetate to it. After that you will see at the last yellow precipitate will obtain. This whole test is known as chromyl chloride test. This is a specific test for chloride ion, right? Next one is for acetate iron. What you will do, you will take salt solution and then you will add neutral FeCl3, right? When you will do that, you will get a blood red color, which confirms the presence of acetate iron. One more test you can do is you can take the salt on a watch glass and then add oxalic acid, which is solids in lab, then add few drops of 1-2 drops of distilled water, 1-2 drops of distilled water, and just make a thick paste of it. After that, take the toothpaste in your finger and just rub it. If you are rubbing it, and after that if you'll smell it, you will get a strong smell of vinegar, which also confirms the presence of acetate ion, right? Now we'll do about the bromide ion. So for bromide ion, what is the confirmatory test? We take the salt solution, right? We take salt solution, then add dilute HNO3 and then AgNO3. So what you will get? You will get a light yellow PPT, right? This light yellow PPT is soluble in concentrated ammonia solution. If it is soluble, then it is bromide ion, and for iodides similarly, similar things are done, but it is not soluble in concentrated ammonia, then it confirms the presence of iodide ion. So this is very easy, bromide and iodide ion, right? Now the next one is for your nitrate ion, a very important one, because this is also having a specific name called brown ring test, right? So what we do in this test, we take the original solution. Obviously the original solution is prepared in the distilled water, then we add freshly prepared FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, otherwise the ferrous will get hydrolyzed. So we'll take freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, and then we will add concentrated sulfuric acid dropwise along the test tube, sides of the test tube. When you will do that, you will see that in a test tube there is a brown ring formation at the junction of the two solutions. This brown ring confirms. If you disturb it, it will get dissolved, so you don't have to disturb it. So if the brown rings form, then it confirms the presence of nitrate ion in the salt. So we have seen all the confirmatory tests for anion. Now the next video we will see cations, right? Cations are divided into many subgroups, so we'll see that in detail.